Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign in and complete any ID or tax uploads so payments can flow. Once done, enable precise GPS and background location. This lets orders route smoothly. Make sure your phone is charged above 50% and that vehicle and insurance details are current. These prevent last-minute deactivations. This immediate setup gets you into the app's active state fast, so you can accept your first delivery without delays. You'll accept an order when the payout and distance match your threshold. Tap Accept and inspect the details. Then start navigation. The app provides turn-by-turn directions, but if signal drops, switch to a cached offline map to keep routing. While en route, update status. Mark items picked, take required photos, and message the customer if you need clarification. These steps reduce cancellations and speed up turnover, which improves your acceptance rate and earnings over time. You'll finish by confirming delivery properly. Scan the order code or capture signature or photo proof as required, then end the trip so payment registers. Once completed, log tips and any cash collected, and report issues like missing items through the in-app help to preserve records. If something goes wrong, app freeze, wrong address, first force close the app, clear cache, and reconnect to a stable network. If still broken, switch to the backup contact flow so you can complete the order without losing pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.